What's up, y'all? It's Stefan here, back with another Just Saying unpackaging. This time around, it's Thursday before we get to see Dragon Ball Super, which I'm watching Saturday. So this order is for the ultimate Beast Mode Gohan gear. So I'm gonna get ready to put that on. That's what I'm gonna wear because I'm gonna try to make this video a little bit faster than the other ones. So I'm gonna show all the gear off. We're just gonna wear that one since that's the main reason why we're doing this unboxing, right? Here's the package. I think it comes out today, the movie, but I ain't seeing it till Saturday because got gym today, tomorrow. Got work, so I can't see it during those hours. Got work Saturday, so I'll be seeing it in IMAX on Saturday, the 20th. So here we go, and also we got some One Piece gear, but oh, got some stickers. We're going to put all this off to the side. Save the Gohan one for last, and here we go. So first off, we'll open up this razor. This one is Deku Pro Social Razor. I do have the sleeveless hoodie, and you know me, I like wearing the razor underneath it. So I think I said Pro Social, but this is full cow. But yeah, so this is a Deku full cow razor. I think this is the muscle one as well. I got it in an extra large since I do like how the extra large feels on me. And as you can see right now, we're wearing that Naruto one. Got me some cleans today, so I wanted to use the Kyuubi chakra to help me fight through that. Nice little muscle razor one. Thought this would be a pretty nice one to use. Next we'll go with the Demon Slayer one. This one actually could go with the razor with the colorway. I got this of course because you know me with the Shinobu colorway. So I'm pretty sure you know these joggers. It ain't Shinobus, but it's the one of the demons. I forgot the demon's name. I'll put it up here right now. The name and the gear, but I love this type of blue and then pink together. That's why Shinobu is like one of my favorite colorways. So you know that's why I got the Vent gear. Tempted to get the crop top Shinobu one and wear that one around too. But yeah, so this one I might wear with the Deku Razor one if I wanted to. For like if I didn't want to wear the actual full set with it. Or I could just wear this one since the guy doesn't even have a shirt on, so I could wear that one when I don't want to feel like wearing a shirt to the gym or just around the house. Next, we got One Piece 4th Gear 2.0s. Had the Blood Boil one. I don't know why I said half, but I had the Blood Boil one for the long sleeve. This is the razor for it. And the other one, I like this a little better since the skin is more skin color than the like little redness of the Blood Boil. I might put a picture up right now to compare both of them there. But yeah, this one actually pretty nice. I like it. Looks good. And then we got the long sleeve. Since I do have the Gear Forward leggings, so I wanted this long sleeve one to go with the leggings. I didn't want to wear the half boil one anymore. Half boil. Blood Boil one anymore. Got those there. We'll put these up here real quick. For this one, I finally had to get another sleeveless hoodie. Oh, by the way, all these sizes are extra larges. So you know me, Minato, I had to continue getting his gear. I ended up getting the sleeveless hoodie to go with my Vent gear one and my razor. This is the Minato zip-up hoodie. And by the way, they did change the hoodie shoulders because I wore the Fat Gum the other day and it was so much tighter than the newer ones I have. So yeah, I know I said that in the other videos, but I know for sure it is now. Now to the main event, and it's probably one of the fastest unboxing we ever done for this portion. We got Beast Mode Gohan. So this one is the joggers. I got the Beast Mode over the Ultimate for the fact that I like the pink. So, you know, I got the Super Saiyan Rose. So I like this one because Gohan is one of my favorites. I love the Super Saiyan 2 Gohan transformation. I'm waiting for the 2.0 ones to come out for the males before I get that set because I really want to get that one with that purple and Super Saiyan 2. But since Gohan wears the Piccolo tanks, that's why I got it in the tank instead of like a long sleeve. So going in the movies, I'm gonna be wearing this tank top and it's gonna be pretty nice. I'm not gonna wear the joggers, I'm just gonna wear the tank top with jeans. And then my girlfriend's gonna bring a blanket so if I get cold, we're good. She always gets cold, so that's why the blanket, but we'll share it whenever they're there. So gonna put this on real quick and then we'll see how it looks on me and we'll be right there. All right, y'all, so as you can see, it looks pretty good. The tank top is pretty nice. Not that bad on shoulders. Do you think lengthwise, maybe? Not too bad lengthwise. Let me see. Move around some. Yeah, lengthwise not too bad. I know with the, I think it was the large, it will go up like that. So not too bad, not too bad. But let's look at the detail of it real quick. Hopefully my computer light doesn't mess with it too much. But let's back up. As you can see, it looks pretty good, man. I like it. Definitely one of the ones I'm gonna use for upper day. Push-pull day is one of those days. Definitely don't like using lower day because I always do squats, but could be a lower day without the squat on my back. Could do that too. But let's check out the joggers real quick. Look at that lightning. Look at that. Oh. But yeah, so I'll wear this with the jeans, so hopefully that'll be on the thumbnail. I don't know, I'm pretty lazy with the stuff, but anyways, y'all, hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for stopping by. Much love. Hope you have a great, amazing day, and know that I love you. Take care. Peace.